Hi, I'm Elizabeth Adams, a Digital Learning Coordinator with the Eastern Area for Wake County Public Schools. We're here today at an elementary school with Code and Go stations. These stations are hands-on, engaging learning experiences that introduce students to computer science.
So I loved how I got to program this cool LED. And I got to program it to where I could either have it turn off and on, off and then pause for a second and then back on again, and I could just turn it off and kind of mess around with it and do whatever I wanted to. I also got to attach all the wires, which was really cool, and it's not like someone was on my back trying to tell me what to do. They kind of gave me a sheet and to follow, so it was more challenging, and that's one of the things that I really liked about it.
Hey there, my name is Andrew Garner. I am the technology teacher here at Banks Road Elementary. I teach kindergarten through 5th grade, and right now we have 5th graders here doing Code and Go stations. This is an awesome opportunity that our school gets to do. The DLCs put out an interest form, and we signed up, and we got selected, and they are loving it. They've been studying computer science and coding in my class and technology specials, and so this is just an awesome opportunity for them to actually get to do hands-on robot coding. They're loving it. Thank you, DLCs, for putting this on.
Well, this is super cool seeing all the electronics and things. Because when you see something, a light like this, and you don't see all this, you see it turn on and off, and you think, oh, it's just turning on and off. But then you see this is what coders have to do, all of this, just to get a light to turn on and then off. So it's really, really cool, but I didn't know it took this much work.
Okay, so I think that this is a really fun and engaging activity, and it was something really different that we usually don't experience in school, and it's definitely a good way to get into STEM.
Well, we are very grateful for this opportunity as it lends itself to what we're aiming for at GLHS Media, and the fact of we're trying to build a collaborative space where students have an opportunity to work together and do things that are hands-on and promotes critical thinking, creativity, and they're building their communication skills, thinking about being out for so long with remote learning. These opportunities allow for them to come back together and socialize in a way that also supports their learning.
You can provide this opportunity for your students by reaching out to your digital learning coordinator. You will work with your DLC on dates and times that best fit your schedule, a space available in your school to run the stations, how many students can be accommodated, and what grade level or levels that you would like to see participate. This is a try before you buy type of program. Your DLC will bring the devices, the resources, and all the things necessary to make the stations work. And then you can work with your DLC to dive deeper into how to purchase these tools and get these hands-on learning experiences integrated into your curriculum. We want to make sure that we continue to offer these hands-on, engaging learning experiences for all of our students. Visit our website at dlc.wcpss.net to find your contact information for your digital learning coordinator.